Well, don't trust what you heard from the bubble, dog. I've been busting out features on the biblical shuttle. But FaceTimes ask me how brothers stay so humble.
What's up, guys? Wanna tour my van? What's up, guys? So Jack and I have been on a 3-day road trip, and basically this entire trip has been sponsored by Amaze, and Amaze is giving away a 4x4 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van with $40,000 worth of customizations, and you can win it.
You can win a brand new van, baby. So basically the taxes are included. So
you don't have to worry.
This is a great deal.
Just go to amaze.com/Zach to get entered for only $10. I mean,
it's honestly a no-brainer.
It's honestly a no-brainer, but let's get into the van tour. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's hop right into this van tour.
Okay, guys, just to give a little bit of a backstory, I actually live in a van, and Jack does not. But basically we were sent out on this trip, and we've been enjoying this custom-made van by the Vansmilth, which is super insane, and we kind of just want to be able to give you guys a tour of this, and we can kind of contrast it between my van, and since I've already built out a van, it's interesting to see the perspective of a van that's built out by a professional, and you know, just a custom van, like not a hand-done van. Okay, guys, before we even get into the van, we have to talk about this nice convenient floor mat, because I don't have this in my van, but honestly, being able to just wipe your feet off real quick, get the dirt off before you hop in, saves so much cleaning, because your floor just does not get all that dirt. But now that we're inside, we have to move to this storage bin, a really random looking storage bin, but it gets the job done. One of the biggest things in van life is having as much storage as possible, and having this bin be a seat but also storage is like so key, because like even just in this short period of time we've already like stocked it up and like almost ran out of space, and so like every little bit has to be used to its max. But there's also a super cool feature about this box, which you can put a table on it, so I'm gonna pull that out and kind of show you guys what's up with that.
Yes, sir. Basically, this table is pretty versatile. Cooking or something, you can rotate it. You could have it this way. I was personally using this setup yesterday. Big, huge major key right here. Let me flip it around for you guys. Twist her around. Have a nice morning coffee right here. Do some work.
So we've got the rotating swivel seat in the passenger seat, which is just a major key for this van life trip.
It really opens up the whole space and like really gives it a good ambiance, you know, like Zach can be sitting there, I'll be sitting here, talking big picture, you know.
Talking big picture.
Talking big multi-billion-dollar business ideas.
But this is actually like a super key thing for us, because we have been using this thing so much when we've been chowing down, when we've been cooking, when we've been stirring it up. One of my favorite parts about this van is that it has a swivel chair in this table, because in my van I don't have that, and honestly like it's such a great place to work. Of course I have like a slide out table and some benches, but like this is like super cozy. Like look at Jack.
I could just sit here all day.
Okay, now we're gonna give you guys a quick kitchen tour. So we have a simple burner system here, so all you have to do is come down here and turn on the propane, and then but on top of that we got a nice drawer for all of our utensils, and it has this nice RV latch, so we never have to worry about it kind of flinging open when we're driving. Major key right there. Then below we have this nice refrigerator where we keep all of our healthy food.
Van life, baby.
Under here we have our sink. We've got some extra utensils. We've got the water pump. We've got the drainage. And basically all you do with that is that you empty that out when you're done with it. Okay, then up here we have our sink, and on top of that we have this nice cutting board, which you can put right there. And then you have your sink. It's beautiful. You can turn the water on. It's a pump. It's great. It's amazing. And we have this little basket to catch all the nasty stuff that runs down.
Should we give him a sink demo? Yeah, we've completely run out of water.
Guys, we kind of used up all the water, so we would show you. It has a 20-gallon tank, but we've been a little too lazy to refill. So that's the status on this. But so on top of, you know, the storage down there and all that, you kind of need a lot of storage in your van. And this van luckily has all these like amazing compartments that we throw all of our random stuff in. And it kind of gets the job done. We're not too organized right now, but having storage above is super convenient because this would have just been like lost space. But in this van, it's been super utilized. And in my van, I don't have any of these upper compartments. And honestly, it's just a bunch of extra nice space that you definitely need if you're building a van. On top of that, we got some nice LED strip light up here, and you just hit these beautiful little buttons.
So easy to use. Oh my god.
Beautiful. On top of that, we've got all these lights. So basically, this runs the LEDs up here, LEDs under here, up here, and it's pretty sweet.
We got 2 more storage containers over here.
This is where Jack's been storing all of his gear.
We also have storage near
Right
the
here,
bed.
which is super convenient because you can be freaking about to sleep and you can just plop your stuff in there. Super nice because you can just throw your computer in there when you're done for the night, pop it down, and we still have a regular size bed sitting right here.
Full size mattress, baby.
Let me just give you a little demo on this boy. So I've been living in a van for about 2 weeks, and Jack is kind of new to this. He's like 3 days in, and so I'm gonna ask him a couple questions, just kind of get a concept or an idea of like what it's like for someone that's extra new to it. Like, I'm new to it, but I feel like I've already adapted a ton to the van life. So Jack, are you prepared?
I'm ready, bruh.
What is the biggest difference between living in a house and living in a van so far?
Along with like the size, like it's a give and take because you get a lot of freedom from living in a smaller space.
Yeah.
But the freedom is almost constricted in a sense because it's so small.
Yeah.
I'd say that's the biggest difference that I've observed so far, but it's only been 3 days, so.
But that being said, I feel like there's like more upside than downside because we've been able to just like live and we're just in like the most beautiful places in the entire world, and being able to have the flexibility to just kind of park wherever you want and have your home be there, it's just like unreal how convenient it is. Like, of course it doesn't feel as homey as home, but it still feels like 99% of the way there, and you get the flexibility of being able to be anywhere. So I feel like
just freedom, baby.
it's just freedom, the freedom at its finest. And honestly, having power from the sun, like solar power, is probably one of the most convenient things because it makes it feel most like a house. Being able to come in at night, just turn on the lights, plug your stuff in, get charged up. It's so convenient and also makes it feel all together. And also the propane stove in here is super nice, so it's kind of like more homey than you'd even expect. Although like it is a trade-off because you are, and at the end of the day, in a van
with a state-of-the-art airflow system. Let me me demonstrate.
Okay.
So when we're cooking, like you kind of have to use this fan because it sucks up all the
Propane.
smoke and whatever. Crack this little window open, and then crack that window over there. And then basically we have this remote here. Just turn it on. It opens up.
Starts cranking.
Starts cranking. Don't even have to worry about bad smells. They're out of there quick at the touch of a button. That's the fan, baby.
So if you guys want a chance to win a 4x4 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van with $40,000 worth of customizations, be sure to go to amaze.com/Zach and have a chance to win this amazing van. Not this exact van, but a different van, a better van, your custom van. Thank you to Amaze for sponsoring this video. It's actually been amazing going on this trip. If you've seen the most recent video or the one before this, or it's pretty insane. It was honestly one of the best trips of my life, and Moab is amazing. So if you're ever looking to travel here, be sure to come here. But guys, I'll see you later. As usual, live happy and be healthy, and I will see you later. Bye.